Hello my dear friends, how are you? First of all, this video for those people who continue learning Russian language, who continue watch my videos, my lessons about Russian language. And I decided to record this video because, for example, right now I prepare a new lesson, new video for you. This is a new lesson about Russian verb. And right now I realized how difficult Russian language, how difficult to explain to you all these rules, how difficult to explain to you the differences between this version of the verbs, these rules, these words, the difference between these words and so on. How difficult to explain to you to know it. And this is very hard, very difficult task for me to explain to you to know it, because my task to help you, because I want to know Russian language, because as you watch my videos on my channel about Russian language, I know that you want it. You want to improve your skills in Russian. And this is my task to help you. But I can't imagine how difficult to learn Russian language. Right now, I realized it. And I want to tell you that if you continue watching my videos, if you continue learning Russian language, I admire you. I remember that in the one of my last videos on my channel, I told you about it, that I admire you if you continue learning Russian, because it's really very, very difficult. I can't imagine how difficult. But please continue to watch my videos, because it's very good experience for you. And of course, you can ask me why I do it, why I try to teach you, why I try to give you more information, more practice about Russian language, because I think that in our life, if we want to take something, first of all, we need to give something for other people. Because, for example, when I only started learning English, I remember when I tried to find any good teacher, any good information or lessons about English language to improve my skills in English. And I remember when I found out very good YouTube channel. Thanks to this YouTube channel, thanks to this blogger, I achieved, I think, some good results in English. And he did it free. He did it without any money. That's why I decided to do the same. I recording these videos for you free, without any money. And only your support, only your support give me big motivation to continue recording these videos. That's why I have only one question. Please continue watching my videos. Please continue put like, and leave your messages, leave your comment under all my videos in the comments. Because only your support. Please just text me much more your messages. It's very interesting, and for me and for you, for other people, people who watch my videos, who watch my lessons. And I can tell you one more time that I really, my dear friends, I really very admire you if you continue learning Russian language, because right now I prepare a new lesson and I can't understand how to explain to you. For example, yes, right now I prepare the lesson about some Russian verb, and I cross with very difficult rule. And I can imagine how to explain to you it. Because as for me, I'm native Russian speaker. I know it. I know how to use this verb, how to use this rule, these words, and so on. But if you're native English speaker, for example, how to explain to you this rule? I don't know, because I can't imagine, my dear friends. So please don't forget, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, my lessons, please support me. Put like, subscribe to my channel, leave much more different comments under my videos on my channel. It's very motivate me. Please don't forget, one more time, put like, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.